Hi there, welcome to Glowbom. Let me show you how to create a virtual assistant using just your voice. Let's look at an example of what you can build. Let's go to Presets, choose Chatbot, and press Preview. Glowbom has a virtual assistant example. His name is Walter. Let's try to interact with him. Hi there.
Hey, what's up?
Not much, how are you doing?
I'm doing quite well.
What's your name?
My name is Walter. Ask me the best cooking advice.
Okay, what's your best cooking advice?
Cooking advice is to know 100 ways to cook an egg.
Thank you, Walter.
Goodbye, human. Thanks for your inquiries.
What else can you do?
I can tell you what to do today. Just ask.
What to do today?
You could learn about the Large Hadron Collider, or you could start learning Lua.
Thank you, Walter.
No problem.
Bye-bye.
Later.
Now let's create a chatbot project. Hey, Jess.
Hi. Good to see you.
How's it going?
Great. You?
I'm doing fine. I'm thinking to create a bot called James.
Bot called James is created successfully.
Thank you, Jess.
It was the least I could do.
Open the editor.
Editor for James project is opened.
Inside the editor, we can see different questions and different sentences with the responses that your virtual assistant can potentially have. So let's see what the virtual assistant responds to hello. To hello, virtual assistant responds hello, hi there, hey, what's up? Okay, let's test it out and see how it looks like. Hello.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing really, just keeping busy.
But you can add more sentences for your virtual assistant to respond. For example, you could say like, hey, how much does your product cost? The cost might vary, right? So let's test it out. How much does your product cost?
10,000.
Okay, you can train your bot in a different way. You could do it using just your voice. So let's test it out. Add the question, how's the weather outside?
Done. The next question will be, how is the weather outside? Please add answers.
In response, how's the weather outside, you could say, it's raining.
Done that. The next answer will be, it is raining.
In response, how's the weather outside, you could say, it's windy.
Yeah, just done that. The next answer will be, it is windy.
Alright, and now you could test it out. You could run your bot and ask, how's the weather outside?
It's raining.
Hey, how's the weather outside?
It's windy.
You can add multiple sentences and multiple questions this way. You could also press a plus button over here and write the question and responses down. Let's add another question. Add a new question, where is your company located?
Done that. The next question will be, where is your company located?
In response to where's the company located, you could say San Francisco, California.
Done. The next answer will be San Francisco, California.
In response to where's the company located, you could say in the Bay Area.
Okay, the next answer will be in the Bay Area.
And the next response could be San Francisco.
You got it. The next answer will be San Francisco.
And in the response to where is the company located, you can say in the United States.
You got it. The next answer will be in the United States.
All right, let's test it out.
Project James is running now.
Okay, let's ask James Where's your company located? Hello.
Hello.
Where is your company located?
In the Bay Area.
Thank you. Oh, okay. It doesn't respond to thank you, but we can add a response to thank you. You could say, you're welcome. Thank you, James.
You're welcome.
To export the source code, you can say export the source code. You could press export button. You can publish this virtual assistant on the web, or you could export the source code and compile the chat application, virtual assistant application for iOS or Android. Let us know if you guys have any questions. We add more features and more presets every single month. Try it for yourself and see you guys inside. Oh, and there is one more thing. If you already have an OpenAI account, you can use GPT-3 to train your virtual assistant. Let me show you how to do that. You can connect your OpenAI account in the integrations page over here. And now let's ask GPT-3 the best cooking advice. Avoid salt. That was a good one. Don't use all your ingredients. Cook what you love. That's a good advice. GPT-3 is fantastic. In fact, you can use it with different types of applications on Glowbom. We recorded a separate video that explains how to use GPT-3 with Glowbom apps. Please check it out and let us know if you guys have any questions. Thank you very much and see you guys inside.